Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you, step by step, how to create a Binance account, and how to use peer-to-peer trading and futures trading. First, I'll show you how to sign up for Binance. To begin, please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Tap Sign Up in the top right corner. Please enter your email address or phone number. Check the agreement box below. Then tap Continue. Please enter the verification code sent to your email or phone number. Next, enter your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Next, you'll need to fill in the Inviter section, so make sure to select Yes. This will open the field where you can enter the referral ID. Enter BB222 here to receive Binance's maximum 20% fee discount and bonus rewards, so I highly recommend entering it before completing your registration. Next, we'll move on to KYC verification. KYC verification is required for making deposits, withdrawals, and trades on Binance. First, select your country of residence, and then choose your document type. In this video, I'll be using a passport as the example. To start the ID verification, tap Take Pictures. Align your passport's information page within the camera frame, and take a photo. Then, continue with the facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions by moving your face, and blinking your eyes. Once you've completed these steps, the identity verification process is finished. It will take about an hour for the verification review. And once it's approved, your status will change to verified. Next, we'll move on to setting up Google Authenticator. Go back to the Binance home screen. Tap the Binance icon in the top left, then tap the arrow icon in the top right. To set up your security, tap Security. Then select Authenticator app. Tap Enable. And then complete the email or phone verification. You'll now be taken to the Authenticator setup screen. First, copy the 16-digit key shown here. Next, install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Tap the button at the bottom right, and select Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. And for your key, paste the 16-digit key you copied from the Binance app. Then tap Add. This will generate a 6-digit code labeled Binance inside Google Authenticator. Copy this 6-digit code and return to the Binance app. Tap Next. And in the Authenticator app code field, paste the 6-digit code you just copied from Google Authenticator. Your Google Authenticator setup is now complete. Next, to trade futures on Binance, we need to switch the app mode. Go back to the Binance home screen, and tap the Binance icon in the top left. Then tap the Binance Pro button at the bottom. Your app will now switch to Binance Pro mode. Second, I'll show you how to use peer-to-peer trading. There are several ways to deposit funds on Binance, but in this video, I'll show you how to do it using peer-to-peer trading. First, tap Assets at the bottom right. At the top menu, you'll see the different types of wallets. Futures is the wallet used for futures trading, and Spot is the wallet used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. First, tap Spot to make a deposit. Then tap Add Funds. You'll see several deposit methods. Select Peer-to-Peer. First, tap the button in the top right to select the currency you want to trade with. To purchase crypto, select Buy. When you tap this button, you can choose which coin you want to trade. Most users typically use USDT. Next to it, tap this button to set the amount you want to trade. Then, tap this button to select your payment method. You'll now see a list of various advertisers below, and this part is important. It's best to choose an advertiser with high trading volume and a high completion rate. Once you've selected the advertiser you want to trade with, tap Buy. Some advertisers may require verification. Enter the amount of crypto you want to purchase. Then, select your payment method. Here's an important point. Make sure to check the advertiser's info carefully. Next, tap Place Order. You'll then see the advertiser's payment details. Be sure to check the chat message from the advertiser first. After that, make the payment to the provided account. The payment account must be under your own name. Once the payment is completed, tap Upload Payment Proof, and upload at least one proof of payment. After uploading, check the agreement box, and tap Transferred, Notify Seller. Once the advertiser confirms your payment, your coin will be deposited into your spot wallet shortly. Third, I'll show you how to use futures trading on Binance. Before you start futures trading, you need to transfer your coins from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Tap Spot Wallet, then tap Transfer. Select Spot Wallet to USD Futures. Choose the coin you want to transfer, and enter the amount. After a moment, the coins will be transferred to your futures wallet. Now, let's begin futures trading. Tap Futures at the bottom right. You'll now see the futures trading page. Tap this button to choose the coin you want to trade futures with. Tap this button to view the chart of the selected coin. Tap the button below to select your margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance for the position, while Isolated uses only a portion of your margin. For beginners, I recommend using Isolated for safer trading. Next to it, tap this button to set your leverage. You can set leverage up to 150x. Higher leverage means higher potential profits, but it also increases the risk of losses. So if you're just starting out, I recommend trading with low leverage for safety. Tap this button to choose the direction of your position. Select Buy if you think the price will go up, and select Sell if you think the price will go down. Below, you'll see your available margin displayed. Tap this button to select the order type. Limit means placing an order at a specific price, and Market means placing an order at the current market price. Next, set your entry price and the amount you want to trade. Finally, tap Buy Long if you expect the price to rise, or Sell Short if you expect the price to fall. After that, tap the Positions button below to view the status of your open position. Here, you can see the ROI, which indicates your current return on investment. Entry price shows the price at which you entered the position. Mark price is the current market price. And leak price is the price at which your position will be liquidated. By tapping TPSL, you can set your take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, if you tap Close, you can close your position. Choose either Market or Limit. Enter the price and amount you want to close, and then tap Confirm. Your entire position will be closed. In today's video, I've shown you step-by-step how to create a Binance account, how to use peer-to-peer trading, and how to trade futures. If you find anything difficult, or have any questions while following along, feel free to leave a comment anytime. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.